I sure hope my fish are alright. So I went to visit my parents for 2.5 months. I didn't expect to stay that long. But I have automatic feeder. I hope they're alright. Oh my goodness. I really hope they're alright. Oh, what? What all this white stuff? So I kept the room temperature at 63, well below 68. But at least it's not freezing. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Is that a dead fish floating right there? Oh no, that's one of those white skirts, I think. And what's this right here? Looks like another dead fish carcass. I see a fish moving right there. So, I started out with 12. Oh, is that another dead fish? Not good. So let me count. Okay, I see a few swimming back there. Those are Buenos Aires tetra. Okay, I see the cory catfish. I see both of them. But that one's just like hanging out right there. Hold on. Hey, are you okay? It looks fine. It's in healthy shape. So let me count. So that's 3 Buenos Aires. Black skirt tetra, 2 cory catfish, and I have a pleco hanging out somewhere. Oh, what is that? So I think. Okay, I see the pleco. I see it moving. So it looks like I initially had 12. I'm down to 7. So I think 5 of them died. I think 2 white skirts died, a cichlid, and 2 zebra danios. So these Buenos Aires tetras, they are hardy for sure. So what I'm gonna do is clean the water, suck up all these dead bodies, and refill it and put some aquarium salt. Yeah, I didn't expect to visit my parents for that long, but that's what happens if you don't plan accordingly. Oh, there's another dead fish right there. It looks like a black skirt tetra. I had this. Looks like there's still a good amount of food. I had it all filled up with fish flakes and also the algae flakes. And the battery's still good. And what's this stuff right here? Some kind of nitric buildup, it looks like. I might have to clean the filter too. So I went to visit my parents in the Midwest December 15th, and I finally returned on March 5th. So that's almost close to 3 months. And that's a long time to be away without anybody taking care of the fish. Let's see if my count is right. Okay, so that's 1. That one. I think that's 2 right there. Yeah, I'm trying to see what that is. That's the biggest, so that's gotta be probably the cichlid. If that's so, that's 3. Yeah, it looks like that's the tail of the fish right there. That's 4. And that's the 5th one right there. Yeah, that adds up right. So I got a deco out. Unfortunately, I don't even see the pleco. So it could be 6 dead. That's a huge carcass right there. I'm gonna suck that up real good. Oh, it looks like there's another one. So it looks like, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I only have 6 fish left. So it looks like 6 died. So unfortunate. Sorry to say this, but this is an unwanted experiment. It just happened the way it is. So let's see which are the hardiest fish that are able to survive such a drastic change, without probably the right amount of food and the lower temperature. Alright, so I siphoned off, looks like it's going to be the 1/3 of the water because the remaining is gravel, and it looks like, see, it's not that horrible after the dirt pail. And now, since I'm cleaning it anyway, might as well wipe down the algae and use the this to clear out any of the remaining fish carcass. So I have the water replaced, cleaned out the tank, looks very nice now. There's no evidence of any dead fish. So when I left the house, it was December 15th, and I kept the temperature at 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Typically, I keep it 68 degrees. I was just trying to save a little bit on utilities. Whoa, there goes the cory catfish getting a breath of air. So it might be because of the lower temperature in addition to less food that's fed with automatic feeder maybe, and no algae wafers maybe that didn't come out, or a combination of the two that made decimated my fish population down to half. So 6 of the fish died. So it looks like the most hardiest, as you can see right here, is the Buenos Aires tetra and the cory catfish. Pleco is typically hardy, but out in the wild. But when it's in captivity, like aquarium, I don't think they are as hardy or tough. And I'm actually surprised one of the black skirts were still alive. I actually expected the zebra danios because they're fast and high metabolism. I thought they would last. So yeah, unfortunately, the giant danios, the zebra danios, black skirts, white skirts, along with plecos and cichlids, they tend to not survive the. Oh, my bad. I don't mean cichlid. I meant gourami. Yeah, the blue gourami. So those tend not to last. So if you are a beginner, I would recommend the Buenos Aires tetra and the cory catfish as beginner fish. They can definitely survive the hardiest of atmospheres or conditions.